Orange soufflé. Heat 2 tablespoons of melted butter in a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of flour and stir well for a few seconds. Gradually pour in 1/4 cup of milk, stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Next, add 4 tablespoons of orange juice and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Stir immediately to prevent curdling. Add 2 tablespoons of orange zest and continue stirring until the mixture thickens and comes together. Set it aside to cool. Take 3 eggs and separate the yolks from the whites. Add half teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix it well. Add the egg yolks to the cooled orange mixture. Now, in a clean bowl, beat the egg whites until they are lightly frothy. Gradually add 1/8 cup of powdered sugar and beat well. Add another 1/8 cup of sugar and continue beating until the mixture forms stiff, glossy peaks. Gently fold the meringue into the yolk mixture in 2 or 3 additions. Be careful not to overmix, as this will deflate the batter. Prepare your ramekins or orange shells by greasing them with butter and coating them with sugar. Fill the ramekins to the top, leaving a 1/4 inch gap from the top. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Bake the soufflés for 16 to 20 minutes or until the tops are golden and puffed up. Serve it with cold ice cream or have it as is.